Hi everyone, my name is Mark. I will be brewing a coffee from Kenya, and this is the Kii Factory. For today, I will be using 12 grams of coffee in, and I'll be adding 180 ml of hot water with a temperature of 85 degrees Celsius. I ground this coffee using a medium grind size. Let's begin. For my bloom, I will be adding 40 ml of hot water, and after 20 seconds, I will be adding my next pour of 100 grams. So you should see a total of 140 grams on your weighing scales. For the last pour, I will be adding 40 grams of hot water on the 50-second mark, and you should have a total of 180 grams on your weighing scales. Now, what I really love about this coffee is its fruity characteristics. I'm talking about cherry, plum, cantaloupe, and grapes. And after 1 minute and 30 seconds, our coffee is ready. For its aroma, I'm getting plums and hints of cherries. For its taste, you'll get a series of cherries, followed by cantaloupe, plums, and hints of grapes. Thank you, cheers, and don't stop brewing.